Are you seriously thinking about becoming a developer? Perhaps you're even dreaming of moving abroad to pursue exciting tech work opportunities? The world of software development is vast and full of potential, but where do you even begin? Well, buckle up, because we're diving deep into the salary landscape of developers in 2025. We'll explore how much devs actually earn in various countries, from the USA and Germany all the way to Canada and India. And trust me, some of these numbers might genuinely shock you. Get ready to have your perceptions challenged. In the United States, software developers are consistently ranked among the highest paid workers across various industries. This reflects the immense demand and value placed on their skills in today's tech-driven economy. Their expertise is crucial for innovation and growth. For a junior developer just starting their career, the salary range typically falls between $70,000 and $90,000 annually. This is a competitive starting point reflecting the foundational skills they bring to the table. As developers gain experience and move into mid-level roles, their earning potential increases significantly, often ranging from $100,000 to $130,000 per year. This reflects their growing expertise and ability to handle more complex projects. For senior developers and lead developers, who possess extensive experience and leadership skills, the compensation can reach upwards of $180,000 or even more. Their strategic guidance is highly valued. However, it's important to note that big cities like San Francisco or New York City often offer even higher salaries to attract top talent. But the cost of living in these metropolitan areas is notoriously brutal, especially when it comes to housing. Germany offers great salaries and job security. Junior, 50,000 euros, mid, 65,000 euros, 80,000 euros, senior, 90 euros, 000 plus, with Berlin and Munich leading the tech scene. And yes, English-speaking devs are in demand. Canada is booming, especially in cities like Toronto and Vancouver. Junior, CAD $60,000, mid, CAD $80,000, $95,000, senior, CAD $110, 000 plus bonus, easier immigration pathways for tech workers. UK salaries are solid, especially in London, but watch out for taxes. Junior, £35,000, £45,000, mid £55,000, £70,000, senior £85, 000 plus fintech and AI are booming in 2025. India boasts a wealth of exceptional tech talent, a vibrant pool of skilled developers ready to tackle any challenge. And now, the rise of remote work opportunities is revolutionizing the landscape, offering unprecedented possibilities for Indian developers to connect with global companies. For junior developers starting their careers, the typical salary range in India is approximately Rs5 to 9 LPA. Mid-level developers, with their growing expertise and experience, can expect to earn between Rs10 to 20 LPA. And senior developers, the seasoned veterans of the coding world, often command salaries ranging from Rs25 to 40 LPA. But what if Indian developers could tap into the lucrative US market while staying in India? Remote developers working for US companies can potentially earn Rs50 LPA or even more, significantly boosting their earning potential and quality of life. Tax-free income is the real draw here. Junior, AED 12,000 month mid, AED 18,000, 25,000 senior, AED 30,000 plus, and tech startups are on the rise in Dubai. Down under, devs earn well, and the lifestyle is unbeatable. Junior, AUD $70,000. Mid, $90,000, $110,000. Senior, $130, 000 plus. And yes, there's a huge demand in cloud, DevOps, and full stack. Now here's the wild card. Remote developers. Companies are hiring globally, paying competitive rates and skipping relocation costs. So you could live in Bali or Turkey and still earn US dollars. So, where would you work as a developer in 2025? Tell me in the comments. And if you're planning to work remotely, smash that like button and subscribe for more real-world tech content from Ninja Nerd Tech.